Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap California City local and long distance movers near me. Are you ready to hire a reputable and cheap California City moving company? With 3 Movers helping you move, your local and long distance move gets a lot easier. We also offer services for all sorts of individuals, including commercial and residential. When you want a less stressful moving day, we're here to help you. Our team of professional movers will make sure your long distance move goes smoothly. Whether you're moving one state over or need to move across the nation, we're here to assist you. Relocating isn't simple. However, using the best moving services can certainly make it a lot easier. Working with us guarantees you receive access to all of the common long distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing material, always on time, and transparent pricing. If you want to work with a California moving company, justifying the cost can seem difficult. When you look into the major benefits you get, the cost can be much easier to handle. A good moving company can help you save time, regardless of how far you're relocating. Avoiding the heavy lifting also offers yet another benefit you get from working with the right local movers. Our team of qualified movers will make sure your move is really efficient. Moving day becomes simpler with 3 Movers because we improve your whole entire move. A move that can take you all weekend to perform, we can take care of in a single morning. Call us now and hire the top California City moving company for your needs. In addition to local and long distance moving, our California City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.